on?
Find your man, me see you be the picture full of. Find your man, me see you walk on your shoulder.
Hold on. That person is still in their bed. Yo, get up out of here. Get up. No. You don't get up out of your bed yet. Get up. If you don't get up out of your bed, I'm not running the tune in the selector. DJ Tyrekejt, tell your Russian boss say you're the girl in her bed. Get up out of your bed, no baby girl. I have hand sanitizer for you. You see me, I say, less than 10 people, everybody can come at the party here. You see me, I say, because they don't have no own space. You mean, man?
Sexiness a multipliers, you get older.
Yeah.
Underneath you comfy, underneath you know.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Tyrekevlogs, and welcome to the online party, people. Hold on, let me a drop. Yo, let me say, man, first of all, I say special shout out to them people. You see me, I say, them watch the video to the end. You see me, I say, so we say, what name? Rico, Mikel, and Gaza for life, one done. Big up on yourself. They're on the screen. Big up on yourself. Now, people, online party, wait. When they home, get hand sanitizer them. You see me, I say, clean up on yourself. How often I get? Oh, child. Oh, child. Oh, child. Whoa. Wait. No, now I cut my hand and use hand sanitizer. That's not green. But anyways, people, kick off the party that we're in, man. Run tune. You listen, man. As me I say for the girls them, we going to party tonight, eh? Hold on, they say if we can't come out on the house, nothing wrong with that. We are going to stand on yard and party tonight. Today, tomorrow, whatever time we now watch a video, an online party name. You see me I say, you ready? You more want to get to the hand sanitizer them, you know. More want to get to the Fabrice them, you know. More want to get to the... Yo! We going to party tonight, eh? Girl, put on the baggy them. See me I say, every girl dress up, every girl come out of them house right now and dress up and put on some big clothes and put on the good things them and roll out. Because the party I go, hold on, listen tune. Let me say, man.
Jamaica, watch your virus.
Coronavirus I go round. You messing on my people. Run out on the party. If we not on the bed and I watch a video, I want to get up off on the bed right now. Take out a buckle of Lysol right now. You see me I take up a Fabrice right now, can you know what? If you don't get up out of the bed, I play that song again. You mess with the man? You want to get up out of the bed? Yo! And now I've got a couple of my friends listening. I know the intense listening. And the Gaza but get up out of the bed right now because the Gaza boss represent. The man say, yo, them not ready. You not get up out of the bed yet? And me come dash some hot water pan on you, me throw some dirty water pan the phone to get sick. Get up out of your bed. Online party with that. Run it. What go on?
Find your man, me see you be the picture full of. Find your man, me see you walk on your shoulder.
Hold on. That person is still in their bed. Yo, get up out of here. Get up. No. You don't get up out of your bed yet. Get up. If you don't get up out of your bed, I'm not running the tune in the selector. DJ Tyrekejt, tell your Russian boss say you're the girl in her bed. Get up out of your bed, no baby girl. I have hand sanitizer for you. You see me, I say, less than 10 people, everybody can come at the party here. You see me, I say, because they don't have no own space. You mean, man?
Sexiness a multipliers, you get older. Yeah. Underneath you comfy, underneath you know. What a face school, Canada.
Yeah. You see me, I say, get up out of bed and go wash your face and get face school. No, man, hold on. You don't get up out of bed yet. Why make you still there in your bed and be there telling all along to the Russian boss? Not the Russian boss, right now, the online party boss. Tyrekevlogs there for the girls them. And you still there in your bed and lie down? No, man, hold on. Do not tired me out. Do not straight. Get up. Oh, I touch that. I need to look at hand sanitizer. Hold on there. Hold on there. All right. Yo, you get up yet? Run it now.
They on the ship like Arizona more like Coca-Cola. Throw your back the firm, you feel a good they wanna cola. Taxi man alone can pick you up in a car.
Right now, taxi man can't pick up me on the right now because not for them on the yard and they're on the online party. But I think of that. Hold on there. Wonder if them ready. Are you ready? Alright, me toss a boom. Party get nice enough.
Buck up in.
What joy? Buck up in. Buck up in her. Yo! What the girl am I do?
Me see buck up in.
What the girl am I do? It's like on one out on the bed now. More to get beer. Why do they can't show up on the stage? Because we don't want to get sick, you know. So we not want to throw no money on the stage. We not get no money pull up. We get hand sanitizer pull up. You see me I say? We get Febreze pull up. We get wipes pull up. Alcohol wipes too. You see me I say? Baby wipes now. They now no white body wipes on the stage, you know. Alcohol wipes. You see me I say? I don't like your video too much. I want to know. We're not going to rude right now. I like up the bum buckle belt video.
We see buck up in her. Buck up in her. We see buck up in her. Jones have thugs and the De La Vega thugs. Stop, bang, stop, man, them.
Yo, when you still laying on the bed and then I get up out on the bed, you know. I'm telling them, forget up out. You're not tired me out. You're not tired me out. Position I want to go on. Alright. Online party ready? If we're ready, then just say comment yes, no man. Fat comment yes, no man. Run it.
I've been up in a 9 and in a 10. Say me never get a pussy there again.
I told you that we can't get it again now because she there. We over there, so I'm there. We up. No more pum pum, dog. Just no star. You not tired me. I make sure someday if you're in your bed, in a problem, you know. Me tell them, say, forget about on the bed from morning, you know. And still I don't on the bed. And so one of them, I check that song, and one I go do. For the girls, them. For the girls, them like when a man own them up. For the girls, them like when a man talk to them right. You listen to that tune, yeah. Ooh, ooh. You mean? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Tonight, she not have to go nowhere. You see me, I said, make we keep on a dance. We call it Ice Cream Sunday. No, we call it Online Party Sunday. Well, today is Wednesday. But you hear me, I said, no, man. I want to get up out on the bed. Ladies, I know so I can't go bring it go nowhere. But if you go bring it up off of the bed right now, just tune in on the live right now and shake a little bam bam. You see me, I say? Because guess what you need to do?
Tonight, we know what we go nowhere. Me say make we keep up.
What we gonna call it? What we are gonna call the party? Good body girls, them what we are call the party?
All it sit down for me cocky Sunday.
Bang bang!
Unspear can't lock the one you have.
We don't need no permit to keep this the party live and free and direct. You see me I say? We don't no police can't come lock off the party because it's your own party in your own room, in your bedroom, in your couch, by your big screen TV, by your flat big back TV them, by your computer, by your laptop, by your broadband tablet your screen crack up like down a town. Hey, them can't lock off the party because it's our one. You see me I say? I feel we dancer. Run the song.
You don't need no permit fi fuck me.
Ooh.
She say really me the love fi keep you up. Me rather you
the
just
man
come.
them I know say yo, I'm not afraid for ask girl for the pumps. You see me I say? The link girl say yo, run this right now. Me want this now. You hear me I say the man? But nobody in the youth.
Talk your mind.
You know man?
Baby.
Talk your mind.
Man them I know say yo, what a bad man. You see if you say A, a girl if you say B, and then you say C and she say D. What bad them way that you youth yo light up for the song. Light up for the song. Like up the video, you like up the video yet? Like up the online party people. Make me know if you don't want another one. See if you don't want another online party. Drop it down below in the comment section and make no video get 100 likes. If a video get 100 likes, people. 100 likes. 100 likes on the get a strictly Gaza online party. You see me I say? Strictly Gaza. Yo, you me say the man that was a bad man, you know?
You can IP man.
Dirty go, leave me alone. I listen to you while I sing them. I know you know I'm not.
But guess what we want? Guess what we want? So if we left her alone, she don't want it. She know we want something, but she just not go admit it. Why the eat here chip in at the party? Just see when I keep an online party, have them something to deal with right now. Why the eat here come for chip in right now? I keep party. Eh? But you mess with the girl them man.
You want with me dirty governor?
Big woman thing, me a beg you some front. I train you with a tell them I beg you some cunt. No.
A bad man thing youth. Let me carry on put this. Online party we say. If you say online party like a video right now, I don't understand. I know some that probably want to say, what the boy you pass the Bumbucker Bell song so you don't want to get copyright. Let me ask that's how you think go. So let's go and vibe to it the way on our vibe to it right now. Reaction boss is live in effect. Online party we are keep right now, me a sweat. Watch it. Watch it. I'm not even work out your girl yet. So the girl come man, so the girl come.
I mean, I beg you up front.
Yeah.
Your pussy clump up if you get some rough thump. Your sister me.
But to think of that, you mess no man. But all of the man them know say, yo, money we say. Money we say. Bang! Hammer! You say? Brick. Yo, you mess no man. Man, them so off a chop 24/7 right now, our time. We there, we yard, we not nothing for do more than chop. You see, so I forget the sharp last them. We have to get the little dull last them. We have to get the little bread knife them. You see me, I said, we have to get the little bread knife, the table knife them. You see me, I said, you have to get little plastic table knife them, little plastic bread knife them. The little plastic knife them we get with the freezer, and we get a KFC and a little plastic bag. You see me, I said, and you have to get the sanitizer too in there. Remember when KFC used to give them free, them give them little sanitizer there, brother, them little pack one there, little wet pack sanitizer them, and wipes them, you know. You see me, I say, napkin whatever the cat, you know, but they used to all look sanitizer to it. And them one day if you go Jaffa. If you don't know them something, you can't talk to me right now, you know. You can't tell me on that video right now if you know them something there. But run through. You may say the man. Brick. You may say no man, hold on there. We need to hand sanitizer. We touch a lighter there too much. Make sure you sanitize yourself and keep yourself safe and yard in the people. And we not take no chat in your youth. No chat we not take around here, you know. No chat we not take around here, you know, people. You see me, I say, run in for the like button, man. I want to know. Run tune. One say for run tune. Run tune. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. When we are using chopper phone, say them mother come. An online party. Not in house. Yo, we can't ramp with the brick boss either now. You mess with the man. Ladies, general them, we have to represent for undertone. You see me, I say. Say no, so when I roll up on the girl them said, so you have to, guess what the girl must say? Yo, the Henry. See them party at the party right now, brother. You have to go in your fridge and take out. Well, I know, man. You see them party at the party, you have to go in your fridge. You see me, I say. And take out a little bottle overnight water. I mean, also no liquor in the fridge right now. If you have liquor in there, go take a little overnight liquor where you that drink. You see me, I say, go in your wine cellar if you don't live a foreign and the rich and have money. You see me, I say, go take out a little 2,000-year-old wine. I said, so pour it out. And step out in the party and say so.
Tough.
Yeah. Ice and chaser come. You see me, I say, it's like on there Jamaica, we have ice in the freezer. And we there, so we don't have ice in my freezer right now, you know. You see me, because snowfall. Place cold, we don't need ice. We don't use ice. If you put a bucket of water, then I carry it freeze by a morning. So we don't need no ice. But you see me, I say, but you can say ice and chaser up. And run June.
That drink up. The vibes like them dogs, them high, but we don't give a fuck.
Bang. Youth. I don't even know what I can strike in a party, yeah, man. Me say any girl in a party right now, they lie in them bed, same way, they don't know move. Come out. Any girl in my party right now, you know bed from morning, stay. Because I know you know bed. I know you know bed from morning. Any girl in my party right now, and them not have on the same pant with them have on from yesterday, stay. If you have on the same pant we have on yesterday, you can stay in my party. If you bed this morning, come out of my party. You know nasty enough. You see me? Yo, run tune.
Step out in the white and then get a ball out. If you're not chubby, let me not chubby.
Youth, you know what I do? No, I go on. We are jet my song here now. And see any man there at the party right now, brother, and don't bust be blank for the song here. Me see what I'm watching now.
Strike force.
I saw me know so none girl. I saw me know so none girls. I saw me know so none. The man stood up at the party look so. When you hear the big bad government and all they play, I stood up at the party look so, brother. Yet you have a girl. Get up out of the bed and bust some blanket at the party.
Andale.
Ole. I wonder if I feel the vibes. I wonder. I feel the vibes. I feel the vibes. Let me party right now. Hey, don't ramp with me now. Don't buckle ramp. John, no matter what sanitize, man. I get dog. To them people, man. John, no start. You me I said, man. You see if we're on the party, brother, and I'm now going with the antics of the girls them right now. Yo. Run tune. Go on now.
40 sound like truck start.
Vroom. People, big up on yourself, you know. Big up on the bumbuckle. Say, I play a song, I say, last song I play on the track. If you don't want a part few, if you want a fully Gaza online party, just let me know, man. Comment section, 100 likes on the video, 100 likes, but that's song I play for the girls, them, right? Not for the girls, them. Everybody right now, you know. Because right now, that's how we're feeling, you know.
Turn up the music.
That's how we feel right now, you know.
Experience a lot along the way.
How far we to go? We never know so the video would have done, you know. But we pray the hell, if you don't get sick in a quarantine. Experience a lot along the way. Me I sweat I say no so the video late. Yo people, time to check out the video. And you see me I say if you enjoy the video, please like the video. You see me I say we get 100 likes on to get a part few. You see me I say 100 likes on to get a what? A part few. You see me?
Where we have to go? Enough never get to see us all.
Yo, you see that song of people? I used to do that song when I used to go work, you know, brother. I used to work at Roll Poly in Kingston, Jamaica. Yo, I say, yo, I used to to that song of that, I miss some deep feelings that you actually don't even know, brother. Right now, the Russian boss in effect, I cannot even rate me, I enjoy myself. Once I miss, every time I have a story to tell to them, I miss a deal with it. I said, John was star. But people know, like up the video, 100 likes, and get a part few. Fully Gaza online party. Big up on the bumbuckle bell self. Up and out.